Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start with quick visual checks and a clean lens before changing settings. Use a microfiber cloth and wipe the lens with gentle circular motions for about 5 seconds. Remove any case or magnetic plate that could interfere and keep the phone near 5 inches from the subject when testing focus. Force quit camera by swiping up and reopening the app to clear temporary glitches. Check the lens for scratches or debris under bright light and repeat cleaning if needed. Tap the screen where you want focus and watch the camera confirm with a square. Hold your finger on that square for 2 seconds to lock AE/AF and stabilize focus. After locking, slide the sun icon to adjust exposure independently for balanced brightness. For precise control, use a third-party app like Halide that offers manual focus and focus peaking. Use the manual focus wheel in that app to fine-tune focus for close-ups or macro subjects. Restart your iPhone to clear background processes that can affect camera focus performance. Check settings and install the latest iOS update to resolve known camera software bugs. If focus issues persist, open Settings, reset camera settings, and test the camera again to confirm improvement. As a last software step, use Settings General reset all settings to revert system tweaks while keeping data intact. If the lens still fails to focus, contact Apple or an
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.